thanks for watching. I'm super excited because we're opening a box I haven't in a while now, at least a few months, and this is Smartass Sass. So this box, last time I posted it, I think someone got offended and told me they unsubscribed. So just a disclaimer, this is for my sassy friends out there that don't mind a few curse words. It's not like overly inappropriate or anything like that, but if you're offended by any curse words, then you will not like this. You don't have to watch. I have so many videos, you can just click on another one, go on your merry way, but yeah, Smartass Sass is a really fun box, in my opinion. That description means, oh, it sounds good, sounds fun. So they offer 3 different subscription options. One is like $13.95 and you just get a t-shirt every month, and then the regular box, which is what we're opening today, you get 5 to 7 items, and there's a big box, which is a little bit more expensive and you get even more in there. I'll leave all the pricing information down below along with a link to their website. They are on Cratejoy, which I love, big Cratejoy fan. So it says, Smartass Sass is a gift and subscription service for snarky individuals and cynical a-holes. We hand select products from artists and small businesses and work with manufacturers to produce brand new items that are sure to make you giggle. Subscribers also help us decide on items and have access to a secret sales shop. Join our community today. And you just get different types of lifestyle items. They ship to Canada, Mexico, the UK, Australia, and obviously where I am, the US. So yeah, I love the subscription. So if you're into, you know, sassy stuff, I think you will too. Before we get unboxing though, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We have a big giveaway going on. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so as a big thank you, I'm hosting a giveaway. So if you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video. It'll be like in a thumbnail in the end screen, so you can check that out next. But let's get this box open. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I open it up, that's what it looks like. So it looks like there's some pink swigglies and a card. Smartass Sass, welcome to the shit show. And then inside it shows all the items, gives a description, and also pricing, and it says a theme. So September's theme is Every Day I'm Hustling. Oh, I love that they sent September's back since it's the end of August. I wasn't sure if I received August or September, so if you order the regular size box now, this is what you will get. So Every Day I'm Hustling. September's subscription is all about that grind. We know you're out there working hard for the money and we respect your hustle. This month we'll be sending sassy products to help you slay all day. You know what? That's like true. I've been slacked a lot in August. It was a really traumatic month for me. I lost both my cat and a friend. I didn't really talk too much about the friend part on here, but yeah, it's been rough. So I'm like, you know what? I need to get my act together, work hard. And I definitely need to work harder to make some money, so I'm excited to see what's inside and see if it can help me. Oh, and they put a little card in here. It says, did you love your sass? Get 25% off your first subscription or shop order. So I will put that code down below. 25%, that's great. Oh, and there's a note for me. It says, to Kitty from Adam, thanks, you are the best. I know, right? No, I'm just kidding. Thank you, Adam. And the first thing on top is a sticker. It says Collectible Sassy Sticker by Smartass Sass, designed 4 out of 6. Oh, I love this. So it says, but first coffee. So true. I can't do anything without, well, I was gonna say a cup of coffee, but it's more like 2. I'm a 3 at least cup of coffee a day girl. I had 3 today, and that's like, you know, my sweet spot. But this is cute. I believe you get a sticker in each box. Does it talk about it in here? Oh, there's one more item that goes along with this, but yeah, the sticker has a $3 value, and it says, I need caffeine before I can do the things. Same. These high quality stickers are outdoor durable and are coated with the matte lamination for long-lasting color. Next, let's look at this. I think this is the item included in the same little description. It's in, yeah, a nice case. This says Smartass Sass on it. And it's a necklace. It says, you're so close on it. Can you guys even see that? Ignore my nails, please. They're disgusting, I know. So the You're Too Close necklace from Smartass Sass. If they can read this stainless steel bar necklace, they're too close. This is perfect, for, especially for now. Like no matter what the time. I don't like strangers near me, but yeah, you're too close if you can read this. I've seen bumper stickers like that before. Anyways, it says this is made from stainless steel, and the chain is 28 inches, and the box is reusable. Yeah, this is a nice jewelry box. That's funny. I like that. Next says, welcome to the shit show, lavatory mist, coconut lime verbena. So this is kind of like a different version of poopery. I really like the packaging. Aren't those pretty colors? This has a $10 value. This coconut lime verbena mist will keep your bathroom smelling beachy. Is it weird to spray it anything? The box is so cute. I hope it looks like it. Like it matches the design. Oh good, it does. Love that design. Let's take a little sniff. It smells good. Something about it reminds me of the bathroom. I wonder if I've had a spray that like, you know, same type of spray. It smells good, but yeah, it reminds me of a bathroom like shit. But let's move on to the next item. Looks like we have a pin that says barely functioning. That's me like every single day. And this is by Holly Dolly, I believe. Yeah, Holly Dolly. It says, this is for the people who are drowning in all the things. The boss babe behind Holly Oddly uses, oh it's Oddly, did I say Dolly? Holly Oddly uses the brand as a way to get things off her chest. Holly's designs are filled with personality that speaks to our snarky hearts. $10 value. I love that. Next we have something in a bag. There's a little tag on it. It says Lauren's Garden makeup remover cloth. Nice. And then Surrey, remove my makeup. I wish we could ask Surrey to do it. Some nights, or a lot of nights, just like, oh, it's so hard. So this is a wet cloth and white makeup, chemical free, water activated, machine washable. I was just talking about these in a video I filmed earlier today about how these are great alternatives to makeup wipes, like the disposable ones that are very wasteful. So if you want to be more zero waste, eco-friendly, this is a great start. So the towel, it's kind of like the makeup eraser, which was like the first one, at least that I've known of, that started doing this, but these are great. Usually you want to wash them first before you first start using them, and just with water they take off your makeup. And I like that this one is black. All the other ones I have are like pink and stuff, or other lighter colors, because then you can like tell that it's not as dirty, or you can't tell that it's really dirty. And I like how big it is, so you can just use like different sections at a time. This is awesome. You can store it in this bag. So this is a $12 value, and then it says, if only robots could remove our makeup. But this washcloth is the next best thing. It removes makeup with no makeup remover solutions or soap. Just add water. This cloth makes your nighttime skincare routine fast, easy, and chemical free. It's machine washable, and it even removes waterproof makeup. Awesome. And I just realized for like all these items, there are coupon codes for the companies featured. So if you guys are interested in those, just let me know. I'll happily give them to you if you want to support these small businesses, which by the way, I don't think I mentioned. I love that Smartass Sass features smaller businesses. Ooh, what is this? Looks like a little glass, like for bubbly champagne. And it says, what day is it? I never know anymore. It was the other day, it was Friday, because I was like talking to my friend, we're like, is it Friday or is it Thursday or Sunday? Like every day just blurs together. Especially during this pandemic, like I don't know. Today's Monday though. I do know what day it is today, so props to me. But anyways, I think this is great. This is acrylic. It's what day is it? Acrylic flute from Sprinkled with Pink. The perfect flute for the shit show that is 2020. Oh my god, can I use this to toast leaving this year? Yes. I can't wait. Just add bubbles. It holds 9 ounces, upscale, shatterproof, and BPA free, hand wash only. SWP creates Instagram-worthy personalized accessories like jean jackets, beach hats, drinkware, and pool tote bags to make every day a party. So SWP, Sprinkled with Pink, the company. I just made that connection a little slow today. And this is a retail value of $7.99. Next, if you're happy, you know it, it's your meds. I think this is a little pill holder. Let me get it up. That's funny. I could use some happy meds, whatever those are. Yeah, pill case. And it says, if you're happy, it probably means your meds are working. This metal and epoxy case will keep your pills organized. Nice. Oh, cool. Very organized. Is there... Yeah, there's 7 slots, so this is great. Awesome. And there's a mirror. Oh, my skin's looking a little rough, but awesome. So you can, it's like dual functions. You can use it like, you know, on the go for a mirror and for your meds. And I hope they make you happy. And it looks like we have 2 more items. At first I thought just 1. And this is unknown injury bandages. Oh my god, 25 bandages inside, and it looks like on them it says, F knows, shit happens, you don't want to know, I don't remember, you should see the other guy. That's funny. So these are like comical bandages. And on the back it says, did you wake up with an unknown injury and no recollection of how it happened? This bandage set is the perfect remedy for your unknown injuries. If you can't show them off, did it even happen? This is hilarious. There are some examples on the back that I already read off. So these have a $6 value. I actually could use some more Band-Aids. I only have a couple left, so this is gonna be funny when I wear them, but did you wake up with unknown injuries? Oh, I guess we've already kind of went over this, but whether it's from a night out or a clumsy fall, show off your scratches and bruises with these bandages. Gift Republic is based in the UK and is dedicated to bringing you the most unique and enjoyable gifts imaginable. This is definitely unique. I think that's great. I like want a friend to come over and ask for a Band-Aid, but I wouldn't want them to be injured, but you know, I think it'd be funny to hand that to them. Let's talk about the last item. This is Lemon Lush Cuticle Cream by Badger Face Beauty Supply. Cracked cuticles can F off. I want to smell it. I love the scent of lemon. And my nails could use it. Very badly. You know what's the absolute worst shit? Cracked cuticles. But nothing makes those bitchy cuticles calm the fuck down like gobs of nourishing cocoa butter, vitamin E, and a masterful blend of botanical extracts and essential oils. This is made with lemon, chamomile, and lavender, and it has a retail value of $4.29. Awesome. Yeah, I should put those on like right now. You guys, I think this box is always so fun to open. So you know what I mean? Like, it's not like completely inappropriate, just there's some curse words, but some people think that's inappropriate. I don't know, maybe it's a different generation, or I like curse words. The F word's one of my favorite words, but what is my favorite thing? I don't know. I just think this, it makes me really want champagne. I'm like, my friends come over later, I'm like, should text them then, and they'll be like, what? Why? But that was everything, you guys. Again, this was like the regular, like middle tier box. I will link them in the description. I will also leave down a link for channel membership if you want to learn more about that. Thank you so much to our channel members. Your support means so much to me and really helps us out. And even if you aren't a channel member, I totally understand. Times are hard right now. Thank you just for being here and watching. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.